Hello, there we are. Yeah, so if you have thumb pain, we have to squeeze this area. Here we go. We have put your thumb like this and you get a big lump there. So I go in with my other thumb like this, and please make sure you subscribe so you learn more of these hacks, because I teach you to get pain-free. So I go in with my thumb like this and I squeeze it, press inwards like this. There we go. Could be quite painful this, but this area should not be tender. It should be soft and easy. The other thing you need to do is right here there is a lymph node, and we need to drain that lymph node right there, and the other lymph node is located, wait for it, there, here we go. The other lymph node is there. So I'll use my knuckle like this, but you can use a tabletop edge, or so I can show you now. I go in with my knuckle like this, press inward, and I squeeze like this. This could also be quite painful. There we go. I could go with one of these, and I can use it like this, and this one squeeze inwards like that, because if the swollen lymph node has expanded, it will block the drainage to your hand and to your thumb. So check your thumb again. Is it better now? If not, we can also go climber's grip or two-finger grip like this, and I go this tendon right here. We're gonna go in like this. Again, please make sure you subscribe so you can learn more of these awesome hacks that I use every day on my clinic and on myself, because I use my thumb and my hands and my elbow when I treat people with lymphatic treatment, which all of these techniques is based upon. So you can pinch it like this, pinching, there we go, pinch, 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 and by draining this area, should not be tender, should not be painful. Try a thumb again. Other thing you can do, you can go on a tabletop and you can rub your thumb on the tabletop. Same on this tendon right there. I can use my hand, rub my hand over the hand like this, and you can also rotate it like that to make it more loose. You can pull it a little bit and rub it like that, and then you can check it again. Is it better now? If it's better, you have fixed yourself. All right. If not, I have a lot of more videos, more tutorials how you can fix yourself. So go like this again. Try. It should not be tender in this area, and that's it. So my name is Rune Aabø. I try to teach you to get pain-free, and this channel Pain-Free You, I have a lot of more content there, so please check it. I have a lot of videos how you can fix yourself. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for next video. Thank you.